Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacarlo, or you can call me Carla, and today's video is going to be how I got this look. Okay y'all, so we got our ball cap on. Okay, let me show you how to wig. I really wanted to do like more highlights, but I was just scared if I left the bleach on there for too long, because this is a really old wig. Like, I don't even know when I bought this or where this is from. I've had this for a while, probably in the closet, you know. But I was scared the hair was gonna fall out. And it was already, it's getting very thin already, so I didn't even fool with it. But this is how the bleach is looking. It's cute, it's cute. It's a very short bob. Y'all know. First of all, my face is shiny. But I have a very low hairline anyway. So this is why my wig cap is down here. Like, y'all, I literally have a 3-head. Like, my hairline, y'all probably can't see, but my edge is about to be showing right here. That's how far my hairline comes down. So my wigs be about on my eyebrows. Y'all, I'm really debating on if I want to use this, because I don't like even. Everybody be hyping eating up like it's the best thing in the world, but it never works for me. This be sliding. It be sliding. Like, it's really giving the folks be lying. I don't know. Should I use this or should I just go for my handy dandy dots because I know it's gonna work? Anyway. Okay. Told me to pick a very best one, and you are not it. Ah! Okay, so I'm going for even. And I got the yellow. I was gonna say the yellow. I got the yellow. It's the extra mega hold. If my cap starts sliding back, I'm going to fucking cry. I'm going to fucking
Just another reaction. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You don't pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I pour me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs close, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. Nigga round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. Bitch, I'm savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and also comment down with videos that y'all want to see me do or hairstyles that y'all want to see me try.